Hello everyone, I am your art teacher Kiran Raje is back with new art and craft activity. Today we are going to make bike with newspaper. We will use best use out of waste. We will use newspaper. Okay, so now I am going to tell you what we require for this bike. We require newspaper, Fevicol, stick and small stick. That's it. Now we will make bike. The first step to make bike, cut newspaper in pieces like this. We have to cut newspaper. After that we will make paper sticks. For make paper stick, we'll take stick and roll newspaper over the stick like this. And we will make paper stick. At the end of edge, we'll paste it with glue like this and take out the stick. Same like this, we have to make 15 to 20 sticks like this. After making sticks, we have to make rolls, few rolls. Now I'll tell you how to make roll. Start from here and make roll. Like this. Turn it round and round. To make it big roll, we have to attach one more stick, paper stick. First, paste it with glue and add one more stick here. Again, we will paste it with glue here and start joining here and make big roll. Same like this, we require two big roll, one small roll, two more small roll like this. Now we have to make oval shape. Turn it round like this. Add more stick, paper stick. Paste it with glue and one more paper stick we will add. And at the end we have to paste it with glue like this. This is also ready. Same like this, we want three oval shape rolls like this. Now we need small paper stick. For small paper stick, we require stick and small paper. Again we will make roll, paper roll. Keep the stick inside like this and paste it neatly. Same like this, we require total 3 small sticks like this. Now we are going to assemble these parts. First, we need one roll and we'll paste it here. Like this. Same other side. We'll paste same size stick. We have to paste like this. On one roll we have to paste it. Now this is ready. Now we have to turn like this and this side. Both sides we have to turn. Now let it be dry. Take another roll and we have to paste this roll here. Now we have 2 rolls. We'll paste one here and one roll here. Now let it be dry. Dry, we have to paste headlight over here in front. One paper here this stick we have to turn like this and we'll paste it here. Again, let it be dry. Now this is also done. I think we should cut handles. It will look more beautiful. Now our bike is ready. Now you can see this is a bike and your bike is ready. I hope you like this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay home and keep learning. Okay, bye bye.